Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon I will let you see. 2 weeks ago I made a face cutting, and you can see here this is my fig, my fig tree, and right now this fig tree has many fruits growing up here, and right here you can see this, and right here, and this one. Okay, you can see this one. Now here is a summer, was summer, so the weather so hot. So every day I will make the water for them. You can see right here. So now we will go to see how I make the face cutting, and like this one I made this face cutting until now 2 weeks, and yet today I take some fig and remove them, go to small container box, and you can see here this is some 2 weeks ago I made some fig cutting right here, and a few days ago I made some very good cutting and remove them, go to another place, go to in the small plastic box like this one. You can see many small birds are growing up here, right here and here, and this is very small, super small, the sand. So now I will take go to I make sure that's some very small container box right there, so I will let you see. We will go to there, and this is I made some cherry. This is the India cherry. I made some cutting. Now we will go to see. Right here, a few days ago I made some very small, and I put in here, and now I will let you see. Right, and you can see here this is the fish after I take it out from that place that have some sand place. I will remove them, go to this small like this one. After that I will take care about maybe 10 or 15 day, 10 day or 15 day. After that I will take one of this and remove on, go to the big box, and you can see right here is some birds after 2 weeks. You can see here this is very beautiful, and you can see this is some big fig tree. Now I put in here, in this is some coconut skin, very small coconut skin, right, and this is very small and very beautiful right there, and have some birds are growing up in there right here. You all can see I must frame more container board in. So after 10 or 15 days ago, I will take each one of this one and remove one of them, go to that and here. So today this video just want to share with you how I make a face cutting. Maybe here some is not good, right? Like here, because you know in this time we are here weather very hot, every day maybe 40 or 42, so hot. As you can see here, like this one, very beautiful right here, and you can see this. So now I will take some water for them. So every day I will make two for what let's water for them. Like this one, I make twice water for them, the morning and the afternoon, right here. So today this video just finished here, and thanks for watching my video. If you like, just let me for a thumbs up, and let me for some comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.